Hey everyone, good morning. This is Sunday, and for me, it may be Sunday or maybe Monday. All day are same. Yes, in Sunday or on Sunday, school, no tuitions, but I have to do lots of work because every morning I am in a hurry, always running like superhero without cap. Yes, Sunday means no school, but this day is mission mission cleaning day. I can give a name mission cleaning day because I have to clean the room, clothes cleaning, bathroom cleaning, everything. And who are watching my video from where, and also you do like me every on every Sunday. Please let me know in the comment. And guess what? Sunday is our also non-veg day, a special non-veg day. My family become a restaurant menu. Someone said make kitchen. Someone said make fish. Someone said make egg sandwich. And I am like, excuse me, I am not Swiggy. Still, I make my favorite sandwich if there is any bread in the kitchen. First, I boil the egg in the egg boiler because uh, I get the gas oven and induction to do another cook another cooking because there is lots of cooking for my daughter, for my husband. I can't explain. Yes, hi Noah, hi Elizabeth Thomas, hi, and from where you you watching my video? Please comment me. Please comment me. Still, I make my favorite sandwich. When egg are boiling, I chopped cucumber, onion, and then toast the bread and give tomato ketchup, cucumber, onion, and egg slice. Then sandwich is ready. When I cook, when I cook, I can remember. Oh, I forget to clean my room. This day is holiday, not holiday. This is working day, home working, house working day. Okay, Elizabeth Noah. Elizabeth, why you so mean? I don't know why she mean that. Elizabeth Thomas, be quiet. Noah, you big, yeah. Okay, I have big eyes. Okay, I have big eyes. Not only you, some other one also said me I have big eyes. Look at your can't even show your face. Don't argue yourself, please. Don't argue yourself. Okay. Shani, good morning. Yes, I am fine. Shani, how are you? Shani, thank you for commenting. And uh, okay, I have to complete this speech. First, I complete my speech, then I will to talk to you. And then I start my cleaning room, cleaning bathroom, and also, cleaning everything. And then my husband said, "Where is my breakfast?" My brother in law, "Where is the tea?" And my daughter will wake up and say, "Mama, Mama, Mama." This is my Sunday. But you know what? I love these chores. Tell me, is your Sunday is lazy or crazy? Please tell me in the comment. And who are watching my video? Noah. Okay, buddy. It is an April football player in the used to be good basketball player. Okay, good for you. Like I can crack your hand. Okay, Noah. And Seni, why you want to be like me and what purpose? Please comment me. And today, comment who are watching my video and from where? Please comment me. Okay, that's all. This is our Sunday, and please comment me how to uh, is Sunday is your Sunday also lazy or busy or crazy? Please comment me. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for commenting and thank you for watching. Please. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.